Students, today we'll be learning about soldering process. Soldering is a metal joining process in which heat and a filler metal whose melting point is lower than the melting point of the metals or alloys which are being joined. It is an heterogeneous welding process. It means in this process filler metal is different from the both the base metal which are to be joined. In soldering process, the melting point of the filler metal is less than 427 degrees centigrade. Soldering process differ from the welding in the sense that there is no direct melting of base metal or base metals being joined. In these soldering processes, filler alloys flows between the two closely adjacent butting surfaces of the workpiece by capillary action. यानी कि इन सोल्डरिंग प्रोसेसेस में जो फिलर मेटल है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है between the two surfaces to be joined by capillary action when this filler metal is brought to the molten state. This soldering process is generally useful for joining two dissimilar metals. In soldering process, the melting temperature of filler metal or solder. In this process, the filler metal is given a name as solder. So in this process, in soldering process, filler metal solder is having lower melting point than the metals to be joined. In order to obtain a satisfactory solder joint, it is necessary that the solder or filler alloy should wet the base metal and spread and make contact with the joint opening and to be drawn into the joint by capillary action. यानी ये फिलर अलॉय यानी कि सोल्डर शुड बी एबल टू वेट द बेस मेटल और ये पूरे उस सरफेस में स्प्रेड कर सके जिसमें कि जॉइंट बनना है और ये कैपिलरी एक्शन के थ्रू जॉइंट में स्प्रेड हो जाए. Soldering joints do not resist corrosion to some extent because in this process a flux is used, and since it is a chemical it may cause corrosion later on if it is not washed properly or if the flux is remained within the joint. Now we can define soldering is a common soldering can be defined as a group of joining processes where the joint is produced by heating the workpiece to a suitable temperature and by using a filler metal having its melting point not exceeding 427 degrees centigrade and below the melting point of base metal. The filler metal or solder is usually distributed between the properly fitted surfaces of the joint by capillary action. Now for making good solder joints, the following points should be taken care of. The proper joint design and clearance should be ensured while making a joint, and selection of a right solder and flux, and adequate cleaning of components to be joined. And the next, fluxing and assembling the components with proper placement or addition of solder, and then heating the joint to the right soldering temperature for optimum time. तो इस प्रोसेस में क्या किया जाता है, सबसे पहले वर्कपीस जो कि हमें जॉइंट करने हैं आपस में, उनको अच्छी तरह से क्लीन किया जाता है और जॉइंट्स को, दोनों वर्क पीसेस को बहुत नज़दीक लाया जाएगा नेसेसरी क्लियरेंस देने के साथ साथ, और उसमें फिर फ्लक्स को अप्लाई किया जाएगा और उसके बाद में फिलर मेटल दैट इज सोल्डर, एंड सोल्डर इज मेनली, इट्स मेन कंपोजिशन इज टिन एंड लेड। तो फिलर मेटल को अप्लाई किया जाएगा और फिर एक हीट सोर्स से हीट दी जाएगी। हीट सोर्स कैन बी एनी टाइप इन सोल्डरिंग ऑपरेशन, इट कैन बी source, heat source can be flame heating, it can be induction heating, it can be resistance heating. In this figure a soldering iron is shown as a heat source and it utilizes the principle of resistance heating. Now once the filler metal, that is solder, is applied, kept here in the solid form, solid state, the it melts by absorbing heat from the soldering iron, and because of the very small gap between the two surfaces which are to be joined, this liquid metal distributes itself within the joint by capillary action. Now the heat source is removed and on the cooling the joint will be made, and after the joint is made, the workpiece will be cleaned nicely so that traces of flux are removed from it. In this process the flux which is used generally comes in the form of a paste, and normally in the soldering operations zinc chloride is used as a flux, and the purpose of flux is to prevent oxidation of the surfaces to be soldered or dissolve the oxides that are produced on the metal surfaces when we are giving heat to the workpiece. So this was all about soldering process. Generally this process is used to make electrical connections